I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing down.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you guys, and it's on these PolyGel nails. I actually got this kit sent to me and also their drill bits, and I am in love. I love this product. I just wanted to show you guys me trying it out. It came with instructions, and this is the base gel. I'm gonna top it off, and then here is the PolyGel. So I have clear, white, pink, dark pink, and light pink, and misty rose. And it also came with a brush. So one end is the brush, and then the other end is the spatula thing, I guess that's what it's called. I don't know. And then you guys know I hate these, so I will not be using those. I just put nail tips on. So I'm just gonna be adding base gel. That's what it says. So this is my first time, so it's super easy, because if it was my first time and I just read the instructions and all I did was replace the dual forms for nail tips. So just a few things that I do love about this product. I feel like if you are becoming a new nail tech, this product is amazing for you, because one, it does not dry fast. You have to cure it in order for it to dry fast, and the only thing that you're using is literally the PolyGel and alcohol and a brush. So it's super, like, it's just easy. Like, it just, I literally thought when I opened the box, I was like, oh my god, here we go again. It's gonna be like the dual forms that I did with the gel, and I'm gonna hate it. But this, okay, my first try was a little crazy, but this product is bomb.com. I kind of feel like if you are a new nail tech, that this product is going to be great for you, just because, like I said, it doesn't dry until you put it in the light. You can work with it, you can put it places, you can work with it for a whole hour and it's not going anywhere. And that's what I like about it, because with acrylic it dries super fast, and then with builder gel it's super runny. And this right here is thick and it doesn't activate until you put alcohol on it, and it still stays firm. So that's kind of what I like. So yeah, and the product is super cheap. It's like $45 for the whole PolyGel kit. One thing that I do not like is that it brings dual forms. You guys know that I do not like dual forms. But if you are a new nail tech, or if you aren't a new nail tech and wanna use dual forms, it does come with dual forms. I don't like them. So if you know how to use them, more power to you, girl. I listen all the way. I don't know how to use it. Yeah, I really love this product, and you guys know that I wouldn't put anything on my channel that I do not like. And this is my first time actually using this product, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be very honest, because like how I was honest about the dual forms on my other video. And yeah, I'm in love with this product. Like, I really love this. And this little kit is like $45, I think, on Amazon. You don't understand, I really love this product. I feel like it's like perfect for beginners, and also if you're a nail tech and you've been a nail tech. It does have dual forms, because I know some of you guys love to work with dual forms. You know, your girl don't like it, but what else, you know what I'm saying. But since some of you guys do like to use dual forms, it does come with dual forms. And what else, if you want to fast forward to the drill bits part, just because you don't want to watch this, and know a lot of you guys were asking me what drill bits do I use, and these have become quite good ones, like the ones that I kind of reaching for now. I do love them. I also love that it came with a cuticle brush. I've been wanting to buy one, but it's a little pricey, and then I was like, what if I don't like it? So I'm glad that this little kit came with one, because you know, we buy things and then we don't end up liking it, and we spent so much money on it. So I'm glad that it came with one, and I've been trying it out. So once this one goes bad, I'm definitely going to get one of these little cleaning cuticle brushes that it came with. What else? what else? One thing that I don't like about the drill bits is that it doesn't go all the way into my drill. Actually, I don't know if that makes sense, but what I'm saying is that when you switch out your drill bits and you put it all the way down into the drill and then you close it up, that it's like it literally doesn't have a gap in between the drill bits. That's what I'm getting at, like between the drill and the drill bit, it's just literally like if it's attached. This does have a little gap. I don't know if the bar is too long, but that's one thing that I do not like about the drill bits. And about the PolyGel, let's see, one thing that I don't like, the dual forms, of course. I do not like the dual forms, but for my first try, I really loved it. I think that as I continue to work with it, and I am, because I'm probably going to do a full set on myself, as I continue to work with it, I think I'm going to end up like wanting to buy all types of PolyGel and trying them out for you guys. And I really enjoyed this product, like super enjoyed this product. I didn't use the dual forms because you guys know that I don't like them, but with the tips it comes out super easy. I don't know, I just really like this product. I don't know anything bad to say, I guess. I don't know, I don't think I have anything bad to say about the PolyGel. But the drill bits, I was a little disappointed about the bar. But other than that, I enjoyed this product, and it will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out and things like that. I also will link the drill bits down below because I know you guys have been asking me for some good drill bits, and these are some good drill bits. I tell you, you're going to see it at the end of the video. As a matter of fact, you should scroll there now and see the drill bits, because I know a lot of you guys were asking me about the drill bits, and this is bomb.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you like PolyGel and what drill bits you use, because I know I use a fine sanding bit, and I also use now the cuticle cleaner that they sent me. And what else do I use? There's a couple of drill bits in there that I've been using and testing out that I don't have. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching.
Thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting the stratosphere, yeah. I prayed for you and kept you near, in hopes you'd chase away my fears. I'm on my own, you made it so, and now I'm chasing nightmares too. I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me, hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh you meant the world to me. No point in blaming you, you did not know. Oh, I thought you were the one for me, that's why I give you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas, oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare.